một the gang act. Chào buổi sáng. Hold on one second. Joy, are you catching another one? No. All right, I'm gonna clean up. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I need to finish my coffee and we'll get started with the day. You guys see it right there? Gaffang. It's on my pole, but we reeled it in. I'm too busy exercising at the moment. If you guys want to see exercise videos, it's on my other YouTube channel, but gaffang. And if you guys know the English, the thing and for this fish, please let me know in the comment section. I have no idea, but let me flip the camera. It's a pretty fish.
Yeah, very nice.
Is it venomous if you get poked?
No.
No problem. Yeah, very deep. And xin lỗi, anh tên gì? Minh. Okay. Hi Minh. So our new friend this morning. Sorry, we'll get back to the video in 1 second. Before I talked about an English app called XED, but now they've officially changed their name to KiKi. KiKi is an app to help you learn English, Hauptingen, who happens to be a virtual bot that will be guiding you through the process. If you're interested in downloading this app, it's completely free. You can find it on Android and iOS. The link is in the description box below for you. Every weekend, KiKi has new challenges for you for learning English. So for example, you want to practice your grammar, your listening, your vocabulary, and all different levels now, beginner, elementary, and advanced. What's nice about this, you have competition. You have a ranking who's at top right now and the person that you need to beat for a little bit more motivation. And if you do really well and have a super high score, you're more than welcome to share it on Instagram or Facebook to get your friends involved so you guys can have little competitions for learning English. Again, you guys, all of the information is in the description box below, and this app is completely free. Nothing to lose. So enjoy. Let's get back to the video because now we're gonna check some fish traps. Well, kind of traps. It's still a trap. It's all right, guys. This is Thu. He's been helping us and hanging out with us quite a bit. And he set these traps last night. I know we were just on the boat, but now we're here and things just change very spontaneously all the time. He just arrived. Hey, you want to check fish traps? Okay, let's do it. So you guys can see all the way down here. So I'm kind of curious to see what he caught. Yeah. Okay, a little bit bigger. Got Keep saying got Oh, much bigger. So this one much bigger. Got another new one. All right. Well, yeah, this looks like we got a bigger one. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so you guys, this is a gang act. Two types of fish right here, but the gang act, that fish has the spike right there on the fins. Supposedly, if you get stung by it, it's actually extremely painful, and some people have very negative reactions. And some people may have to get hospitalized with this fish right here. So this is a very problematic fish if you get stung. But usually they just clip them on all the sides and then you're good to go. Just got back to the boat, reeling things in, and I caught another fish. Literally just walked in, started reeling in, got a fish. I'm stoked. Yeah, so we just got a big gift, you guys. All these fish right here. All of that is for us. So it looks like we have enough food for, what, like a week?
1, 2, 3
Joy, just in like a day and a half with not even actually that much fishing. Stuff that we just got now and the stuff we got yesterday. So many fish. I'm so sleepy right now. Oh. Yeah, come on, you tell. Yeah, come on. Yeah, hẹn gặp lại, đúng. Yeah, đúng. It's about noon right now. The water is going to be going down. We are going to be catching gabom, sow, big mudskippers with my slingshot. So all of this area right here, there's lots of crabs and then big mudskippers. So it stretches out for a while, so we'll be walking probably knee deep in the mud. And you can see all around Just lots and lots of water. But during like extreme low tide, this will come out quite a bit. But okay, now I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head and we're gonna get going. That's not so bad. Actually, we'll find out in a little bit. So I can already see some now, but ooh, there's a big one that's like 20 meters out right there. For you guys, it's gonna be really hard to see on camera, but I'll show you after I get one. I'm not gonna shoot any crabs because crabs explode. And if I do, I'll just use it for bait. You see the crab right there, Gui?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna only go for the big ones. Because some of them you can see from a distance, and then some you won't notice until you kind of scare them a little bit. All right, Gui. So you're gonna help me get them, right? Yeah. Do you have something to put them in?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. There's one right in the water right there. Right there, okay? That was like 1 centimeter above its head. There's another one there too, Gui, so we can... Yeah, there's actually a whole bunch right there. I need to get a little bit closer though. You guys would have to see Gui's camera in order to see me. Okay, I got it. Let me shoot one more. I'm such an awkward position. So hard. Actually, if you want to just get it. All right, well, hopefully Gui can find it. If not, the crabs have lots and lots of food to eat. Kind of disappointed. This is a lot harder. Some of the mudskippers, because they're on the border with the water, so rather than in the deep mud, the bigger ones are between the water and the mud. And it's making it a whole lot harder. And the wind, and you shoot the slingshot and it's kind of windy, the bands start vibrating and the aim is off. I need to get at least one, but I do have a plan B if we don't get any of the slingshot. So I'm just looking right now, I see crabs. I'm not gonna shoot crabs though. But, call what? Okay. I'm gonna turn the GoPro off and then I'll turn it back on if I find something a little bit closer, but I'm gonna walk around. All right, well, we weren't empty-handed. Gui got those. He totally would. Here I am failing with the slingshot and then Gui kills it with his hands. Good job, Gui. All right, we might have to go back to fishing. It's a little bit harder than I expected. Unfortunately, I didn't catch any mudskippers. A little embarrassed, but that's okay because I was gonna get some and then cook them up and then kind of show you guys. However, plan B, I have a bunch of other fish. So we have some small fish that we caught using for bait, and then also we can eat them as well. So I'm gonna cook up some of the tiny fish that we have that don't really resemble a mudskipper, but kind of resemble a mudskipper. But regardless, I'm gonna start cleaning them and then cook them up, and then Gui and I are gonna be eating them. Most of my Vietnamese friends actually don't like to eat my food because they're a little bit worried, but Gui, on the other hand, he's cool with it because anh nhớ sống lâu, right? Yeah, eat dirty, live long. Gui lives by that motto, and so do I. On a boat, it's super tight spaces. Not gonna get any crazy camera angles because it's a little bit hard, but I'll do the best. So now, let's clean up a bunch of fish. These are the fish that we have. Look at all of that. So we got this guy right here. Oh, I think. You guys will correct me in the comment section. I think this one is Gafang. This one I caught in the morning. I don't... Wait, what is the name for this fish right here?
Gafang.
This one's Gafang? Oh, joy. So what is this one then right here?
Gado.
Oh yeah, Gado. Okay. So this is the Gafang, this is Gado. And then we have, where is it? This is Vang. So it's the golden version of this guy right here. So, a lot more fish, a lot more cleaning, so let me get started. All the fish are stuck together.
Cá gì?
Gafang.
Good.
time to wash the fish. Alright, the vegetables for the fish.
Ăn dơ, sống lâu.
Đúng. Đúng rồi. Lots of garlic.
Bỏ rau củ quả.
Just because you're Vietnamese, Gui, we're in Vietnam.
Thank you, this
Yeah, không sao mà some nước mắm.
rất là dễ thương.
So this is the hard part, is the cooking part. If you guys can't tell, I'm in a really tight space right now. And the stove is right here. That's where the stove is. So it's always an interesting cooking experience doing this.
Có chui lọc vô đó các bạn. Diễn thả cho bạn.
This is really hard, you guys. I'm in a very tight space, but it's I think coming along. Alright, I think it's finally done. No more. Alright, so.
You like the wood here? So we have two?
No,
No.
just one. One is okay, we share. When I cook and when I eat, I always use as little like bowls and dishes as I possibly can. I don't like to do dishes. So this is all the fish, you guys. So Gui and I are gonna try it right now. And Gui has a secret stash of alcohol. Was that honey? Rượu.
Hả?
Rượu.
Rượu.
Rượu. Rượu gì?
Hồi sưng. Rượu hồi sưng. Cho kìa.
Yeah, he's talking about his cá láo.
Cá lóc bự hả?
No, just a joke. But yeah, we're gonna eat this and then we're gonna drink some of his hard alcohol of some sort. But all right, I'm curious to see how it's gonna taste. Yo.
Vô.
100%. Not bad. I don't know, like the Jinko? I don't know, không nhớ.
Không nhớ.
But okay.
Ăn đi.
Wait, you ready to try? You try first.
Nào. Hấp cá phèn.
Is it cooked though?
Yeah.
Is it? Because I'm not sure if it's cooked all the way. It's cooked. It's good. I think the gà phèn will be maybe the best tasting. It looks the nicest. I know you're pretty easy when it comes to food, but is it okay?
Chua chua, ngọt ngọt, mặn mặn.
No, you need more salt.
No, enough. Enough only.
Okay, not bad.
Not bad.
Okay, good. I got the.
Món này ăn nhậu được bạn.
You saying drink more, it'll taste better. I got the Vietnamese pass. If you guys are wondering why we don't have rice, we forgot the rice.
I forgot to bring rice.
Alright, this is the.
Ngày qua còn ít thì nấu cơm rồi.
Alright. Yeah. I just wish it was like crunchy. It still tastes good. Yeah, it's good. The meat's soft though in this one. I still question if I cooked it all the way. Not bad. It's not bad.
Dạ, đúng rồi.
It's going for like fried fish, but with the wind right now, it's hard to get the stove really hot, so I can't really fry it. But it came out pretty well. I'm gonna go for gạo út. Út? Is this gạo út right here?
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. All right. So this is gạo út. It's a type of catfish. We got a whole bunch of these, so let's try this one.
Ngon không bạn? Tiếp tục. Ngon thì ly nữa.
I got some of the organs. It's not bad. The skin is slimy. I like that.
Quất một ly, mời bạn uống rượu luôn.
Alright.
Quất một ly.
Nữa.
Vô.
Yo. But after you drink enough of this, everything tastes good.
Yeah, I hope so.
Come on, so. Boy, you're killing me.
Từ nói em uống rượu rồi ăn gì cũng ngon.
It's nice. It's not that bad though, Gui. I know I'm easier than food than you are, but you're super easy as well. But it's not bad, right?
Con cá này cuốc nấu chưa chín lắm rồi. Còn máu.
Minus the bones. This being like Vietnamese food, how Vietnamese is this? Or not really Vietnamese?
Not really Vietnamese.
Really? I use nước mắm?
Yeah, dùng nước mắm. But this is not cá kho. Yeah, cá kho we cook with nước mắm.
Yeah, but more like a cá chiên, because cá kho khác nhau một chút.
Like this is mix between cá kho and cá chiên and a little bit sour soup. Yeah. You know, canh chua.
Yeah,
chua.
Viet.
Yeah. This cá like you get from canh chua outside.
After you take from the pot.
Yeah, take from the pot, and then you put some fish sauce, some nước mắm. That's it.
You want nước mắm right now?
No.
Okay.
Have nước mắm already.
So a little bit, but it's not bad though. It's really not that bad, you guys. Because when you're on a boat, when it's kind of like doing your own thing all day, almost pretty much like anything you make tastes good. But alright guys, so I'm going to eat some more of this and drink a little bit more. But I will see you guys later. So if you want to see more of the videos that I'm doing, check out Gui's channel because he often has a lot more footage than I do. It's Thú Vui Dân Dã. And if you haven't seen my Facebook, Instagram, other social media accounts, make sure to check those out. But for you guys, have a great day. Take care. Tạm biệt. I'm gonna eat some more of the fish because that's all the food we have on the boat.
Thank you so much. Welcome to my channel Thú Vui Dân Dã. Cảm ơn các bạn nha. Chào các bạn. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.